Alright, good evening everyone. My name is Governor Eziokwu. As you know, the need for me to be here tonight arose the need for me to be here this night is here. I got to come, though it's 22 minutes after 10 p.m. at night, and I am here. If you get this video, do help me share it. Martin, you're welcome. All right, it's not a night to preach, because there is need for me to do this. So help me share this video. Like as I made a video yesterday, I've been very busy, and as such, I made a statement yesterday. I said I was going to come back here to explain something to our people, and I've equally seen many comments, people saying you go explain tire, you go explain tire. Nevertheless, since morning I've been very busy. So help me share this video. Before I go further, I would like you to stay patient here and listen to me. Yesterday, Eziokwu. My name is Prince Madabuchi Enyi. I hail from Ngokpala local government area, and I am based here in Rivers State, Port Harcourt to be precise. Now, yesterday, Ogechi, we went to arrest Ogechi, and I made a statement due to the pressure on ground then, and I own up to it that it was a wrong statement at a very wrong moment. The wrong statement at the right time. Hello? Yes, I'll get back to you, please. I am busy now. I'm on live section. I'm on live broadcast. So I made a statement yesterday, and since morning, so many persons has been sending me series of messages and posts made by so many bloggers. But I think it's very necessary for me to clear this, as I made a promise yesterday. I ought to do this today, as I promised. First, many bloggers takes advantage of any utterances you make, especially when you are in my position. So many persons may misinterpret it in one way or the other, the way they like. And I've received calls, chats from even those people who believed in me. Let me say believed, because it seems many has lost confidence in me, and I just want to clear them a bit. My statement yesterday, I was supposed to direct it clearly and straight to Ogechi, and there was no need placing it as a shortcut in order to get at her. But I was supposed to put it right, but trying to avoid members of the DSS there. So I equally made another big mistake, of which family members, friends, many people, they've called me and asked, Governor, why this? And it seems the gang of Ogechi, many of them are now trying to hook on that to get her freed. And many persons have said to me, Governor Eziokwu, step out of this matter because of that statement, not because Ogechi is innocent. of the main thing that led to her arrest. As I said before, yesterday I said I felt for her kids, and I would wish she goes back to them. And I maintain this particular ground. If I can beg for Ijele's release, I think I can also walk out of anything, especially when it is necessary. First, I want to apologize to my dad, to my ancestors, to my uncles, and to my maternal and paternal home people, those who fought for the total liberation of Biafra during that time. I want to apologize to them because there was need for this. And also, lastly, before I'll continue saying what I ought to say here, I also wish to apologize to the IPOB family. Governor Eziokwu is not against you. And I never said that you are doing the wrong thing, because self-determination, I am a politician and I'm standing on my ground to tell you that self-determination is your right. Even in the Nigeria Constitution, in the Western world, and in Africa. So only a fool will be against that, because I am not a daft person. I know the truth and what the truth ought to be. Then there are also protocols that deserve some good observations. If I am against you, I wouldn't have been at the court severally agitating for the release of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. So I was supposed to have faced Ogechi squarely and not making a statement without even completing the sentence the way it should be, and not dangling it because I was trying to be careful of one way or the other. So, first, let me say this clearly. I was supposed to stand my ground that Ogechi Okekenjaka, after the launch of the announce of ESN, Ogechi created or stood on her page, of which she presented an account which does not belong to the IPOB family, and used it to raise funds for herself. And after which she started speaking against IPOB, of which I have never done. I have never done. And I'm going to show you one little evidence where Ogechi did that. Many people were on me, let her go because of this, because of this, because of that. I've heard in Igbo. For the sake of the respect I have for you all, I had to think and sleep over this. But I want to show you this particular video, and I want you to watch it.
I'm sorry, they tag you a terrorist group. You're still behaving like one. Despite that people say you are not. But you're still demonstrating it. Who are you? Leave every single thing that comes out of one person's mouth.
Just listen.
Maneuver to tell you otherwise. Maneuver to tell you otherwise, because he know he can brainwash you at any given minute.
This is Ogechi.
I refuse to be that. That place you guys think will get you Biafra is not the way. It's not where you get with the Biafra. He's not going to get you Biafra. Yeah, then when he has signed it. Okay, let us believe it.
Just listen.
Was I? Am I a fool? We must go there and cast our vote to share this video. Tag it to Kagen and Mother. You guys are something else. How the heck are you? Because you are in IPOB. You want to order every single Igbo person not to vote? You dare craze? Are you mad? I mean, before with every single thing that comes out of one person's mouth. Maneuver to tell you otherwise. Maneuver to tell you otherwise, because he know he can brainwash you at any given minute. I I refuse to be that. That place you guys think will get you Biafra is not the way. It's not where you get with the Biafra. It's not going to get you Biafra. Yeah. And calling. Share this video. IPOP members, we're on our day. The IPOP members of all IPOP members.
This is the same woman. Now listen. Before she started making this video, before she started coming on live broadcast and started fighting against the IPOB, do you know what? She first came online, used her own generated account details, and was collecting monies from Igbo. She did this thing severally. Today, she and her group, they are trying to sort for sympathy because I closed my mouth. Because so many persons, they were on me. People were on me. I said, allow me speak. Many people were saying, don't. So because I did not complete my statement, it depends on the person on that camera, because I didn't post that video. It was those people around us, because some bloggers were there. And if you watch me, while arrest was being carried out on her, I didn't use my camera to video her. I didn't do that. I respected myself and the law. I never presented her to camera. I didn't present her to camera. I respected myself because I knew I was going to stand to prosecute her. And there's no two ways about it. Now, I have not done this kind of thing before all my life. The same person, people are mounting pressures on me right now to let her go, that you have made a wrong statement. My statement is that she used IPOB's name to raise money for herself, she and her gang, and she ate that money. Did any all of you forget that on that time people were making videos saying that you are not an IPOB member? Why are you collecting money from our people? Videos are there. She did this thing severally. To some extent, have you ever seen where I made a video and at any point have you seen where I made a video and opened my own mouth to discrediting Nnamdi Kanu the same way this lady has done? Have you ever seen Governor Eziokwu try this kind of nonsense before? Please watch. This is what I was supposed to direct. But because I never knew, if I had known that cameras was on me, I would have completed the statement without shaking. Let me play this video again.
Sorry, they tag you a terrorist group. You're still behaving like one. Despite that, people say you are not. But you're still demonstrating it. Who are you? Leave every single thing that comes out of one person's mouth. Maneuver to tell you otherwise. Maneuver to tell you otherwise because he know he can brainwash you at any given minute. I refuse to be that. That place you guys think will get you Biafra is not the way. It's not where you get with the Biafra.
So have you seen Governor Eziokwu make this kind of statement before?
Okay, let us believe it. Imagine was I am I a fool? We must go there and cast our vote. To share this video, tag it to Gagan and Mother. You guys are something else. How the heck are you? Because you are in IPOP. You want to order every single Igbo person not to vote? You dare crazy? Are you mad? I made it before with every single thing that comes out of one person's mouth. Maneuver to tell you otherwise. Maneuver to tell you otherwise because he know he can brainwash you at any given minute. I refuse to be that. That place you guys think will get you Biafra is not the way. It's not where you get with the Biafra. It's not going to get you Biafra. I'm calling. Share this video. IPOP members, we're on our day. The IPOP members of all IPOP members. Then now we say not ala. Fana free and open a lumpo. Where is Ife? Where is Oluchi Lloyd? Where is Mizi? Chimamanda? Where are you, boy? Just
okay. Now, well, let me check. Let me check for something. There is one page I used to follow on Facebook. I've read from this page severally. Let me check if I can find this page. Because these people, these are some of the people who were busy then making posts. I don't know if I can find that page. I don't know if I can find that page. This page. Just hold on. Give me some minutes here. Let me check. There is one page like that. This page, I used to watch. I can count 3, 4, 5 persons then who were making videos, if I can remember their names, who were making videos that time saying, Onya aburo an IPOP member, ke why OJ create, why OJ would account, na ego, na ndi Igbo ego. You know, somebody said to me, don't go live, don't do this, don't do that. I thank you for the respect. A lot of people said, I saw different posts that time. I think one of the pages, Enwere Wanebo Aside Hot Biafra TV. Check his old post then. This man was one of those people countering him. Countering him. Well, let me check the page. Check with me. So many pages that I cannot remember all. But I know I can remember one. I see the Hot Biafra TV that time was one of those people who were busy echoing it online. Nonya na egunde mmadu wayo ogechi and egunde mmadu wayo that time. Did she become a saint as at yesterday night that she was arrested? Well, let me check if there is a way I can reach out to this page, if I can get it. Wait, let me check. Trying to see if I can search the right page, then I show you guys here. Okay, go to this page. I think it's this one. That time only. That time my mom will be 20,000 followers or thereabouts. But I think it should be this one now because one of the 62,000. as he dey hot Biafra TV. This person spoke against it that time. It should be this page. It should be this page. Go and check. Check most of his old posts. You will see where he posted severally. This evening, since morning, the so-called sympathizers of Ogechi had gang because of that little error I made yesterday that I never cleared. Many of you know me that Nchikwoku Magu, I must check, calculate. Are you listening to me? I wish I can get 1 or 2 persons now on page that time that can testify to this thing. I on this social media. But I can vividly remember this page. Even one other page or 2 pages. Even this guy page and Biafra Unity. Biafra Unity. He equally that time made post against Ogechi. Go and check. Severally. No, hello, good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. My name is Governor Eziokwu. Chere, on TN alive. Should I? Okay. You want to join me? Send the request again. I will accept it. Okay. No. I've not seen any request here. Anybody can request to join me. Emma. Ndo Ogechi feel that I'm daft. Hello? 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 Yes, my name is Governor Eziokwu, and I'm on live section. I'm on live section. Okay, go ahead.
See, Ogechi mepere that Facebook account. After the Facebook account, I hope.
Oh, you say after the Facebook account again?
Biafra, I hope.
Oh, the page original and they go that time. Hello? Oh.
Yeah,
go ahead.
That time ago, who created that page? Biafra, my home. At that time, all use that page.
Network
Hello, are you hearing me?
Yes, go ahead.
As a Cambidonese, the name of that page Ogechi they use that I will raise that money. Biafra, my home. Are you listening to me?
Okay.
At the end, Ogechi take that money. 2 years ago, January, I think, first week or second week, Ogechi now change that page name to Current Affairs.
Okay.
When I say about that page, I go to insult or do it.
Okay, let me get me now. Does that page still exist now?
Yeah,
oh yeah, send it. Please help me send it to me on your WhatsApp, okay?
Oh wow.
I can check and know exactly the name, the date and time she changed all the names of those pages she was using on her own. Yes, go ahead. All right. Okay.
Hello, sir. I've added you. Hello, I added somebody here. Go ahead, sir. Hello, I just added somebody here, please. Hello? Yes, I'm on live section. Yes. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Okay. So, hi. I'm going to add another. Please, somewhere add in the can you talk or you go out and come in again? I just added somebody here, please. Keep on adding her. Section. Oh. So please, did you get the truth that this lady personally once used her account, imposed herself to be in charge, and she raised the money and swallowed the money on her own? Is Ogechoke Njaka not a fraudster? Is she not? Can you talk or you go out and come in again? Well, let me see if I can get this evidence. I need it. So between me and she now, who is lying? Didn't she create a page? From time to time, she changes the name and she uses it to cash in. Biko Ndibo, please forgive me for that statement yesterday because I did not complete it. Hapukrela no anyi no gechi okeke njaka in particular. Please. Allow us and Ogechi, allow me in particular with Ogechi Okeke Njaka. There's no need putting pressure telling me to step aside. Many great people I have around me, they are so much angry with me. Except I explain to them like this. Many of them have explained to some of my close friends, those abroad and all that. Many of you are not even from my community. Many of you are people I also met on this page who understand me clearly. Please. Let me humble this person. I beg of you. Our ranters, our small ranters, small bloggers here. They are still talking. They started talking because they saw that they went and fetched your sympathy. They went and fetched your sympathy so that through your sympathy, pressures can be on me to step aside. That is what they are trying to achieve. It's not as if Ogechi is not against you. And I'm not telling you that I'm killing her, and I don't do that. What I'm telling you is lessons will be taught. so that she may learn. Has Ogechi apologized? Do you know what they are doing right now? Do you know what they are doing? They are trying to puff up shoulder. I can tell you one person who stood with microphone and said that people, many of those people you see commenting, please, in Igbo, they are not there because they want to stand for what is right. They are there because they are speaking from their ministry. This is the gospel truth. And Ogechi she's one of those people. They feed from that table. Please, right as at today, the same man who said that he knows nothing about Ogechi, does not know anything Ogechi does, and they always defend that he's too busy in the mountain and all that. He's busy sorting for calls, putting means on how to free Ogechi. I'm telling you, there are things I can't say online because right now I realize that if I do like this, it goes viral. So because of my mistake yesterday, please forgive me and leave me and this person. Leave me and this lady. Let me mechanize her. The nude pictures of women she showed on social media. Mboji aki abo onwe oto na social media ndi Igbo. Did you see me share that video? I have conscience. Because I don't want to be guilty. I don't want to be guilty of same ignorance of her. So my highest mistake so far, my highest mistake as at now, is that utterance yesterday. So please, Umunnem, put this one aside. Governor Eziokwu, the way I live my life, not because of their comments, it is because of the respect I have for you, the respect I have for my ancestors, and that's why I have to apologize to you and clear the air. So please, Umunnem, please allow me and this lady. Those women, she provided that their nude picture. Do you know that if this lady had come into this country silently and do her things, even make video that she's in Nigeria, before God and man, I swear with the grave of my mother, if at all I turned and say Keha Yemea, the Chukuna weapon tom. But did you saw on a live video that same day ne kwoku ne ajiami ni tinyi shabagi kanchi onya ha gaba kanchi obo onye ocha, that person obo onye Hausa, that person obo onye China, obu kunu abuku imi umu Igbo ka na threatening. I know many of you knows that girl is very, very rude and does not have Onya will big auntie. No, they can't me to be a mate. Now me they tell you. I know that all of you are angry because of that my mistake yesterday. Please, Umunnem, happen no onya. Hapukura no onya. Beg, I know what I'm doing. Hapukula no onya. Happen no onya. Onu na woke ni be habo fu. Na nwere ball my mother and my father. Over my father had in charge. So when I got there, the Holy Boland of Philo neutralized and then make noise. The other bingo, Ezugo me pronia because no forgot that all forgot sympathy, you know. Forgot sympathy, you know. You don't know now. My cannot forgot sympathy, he was making video. Here they made a tobacco that is follow you to run for elections. And he's not saying that I ran for election and I did not win. In his local government, he has never run for local I mean, youth leader in his kindred. I don't know. By the way, what's my offense against him? Did I run elections in his place? Why is he bitter? Why are they worried? I am not worried. I didn't beg them for support. I didn't solicit. They don't even have PVC in Imo State. I know that your anger was that statement. Please forgive me and allow me and this lady to dig ourselves. Now all of you are saying that I'm fighting a woman. Thank you. There is no problem. Before. Or if one. Hold on, please. Why she was making those utterances on the social media? She never cared. This lady alleged different things on people. Did you see me out of anger? Did you see me out of anger go about searching the whole social media? Nobody can say that toilet. I'm requested for that video for 1 second. Now, all of you giving me command. Those people, and we're not Runadi, and we're only now put as at October, November. Okay, negotiate on social media, women, people's wives, the same sisters of ours. Did they apologize to that? Inclusive of these younger people, bloggers who are on the social media space, who has wives and children in their houses. Now, if I thought she had come to Nigeria, did you know people that put her in trouble? Did you know the people that triggered this thing? Those are the comment section. On that day, many of you will observe that it was at night. I drove myself. I went with my people to Nnewi. I was at Akwa Ibom. I left Akwa Ibom. I drove from Akwa Ibom. The moment I got into Imo from Owerenta, that was when I started making that video. And that video, I never said anything, but I was passing a signal because I was making my speech there that I'm going home to eat. That was how I moved. The Eziokwu making videos today, still ranting and talking about Governor Eziokwu. I was at your place from that night till around 7 to 8. The next day, after arrest, I still slept in your place. You couldn't do anything, but because of that my little mistake yesterday, you now saw that our people started reacting, knowing fully well that Igbo will not be happy with me over that. Please, all of you listening to me in Igbo, you have wife and kids. You have wife and kids in your house. I am too sure how will you feel? Ogechi met some women, maybe many of you don't know. Ogechi goes as far as on the internet sharing people's family, children pictures on the social media, tagging them in bedside, tagging them one thing or the other. Go and show me one video where I tag that children in bedside. Go and show me one. Show me one video where I showed somebody's nude picture on my page. Show me one. Even when she was bullying me, even when she was calling me as convict, even when she was saying, do you know, check people's pages. There are places. There's a lady, I'm forgetting the name of that lady. Anybody who knows that should tell me the name. Just inbox me, my number is here. Okay, open her mouth and say that now ask for her on camera. Never go. That in actually mem. Imagine. The same Ogechi said that Nande kidnappers told me guy kidnapped Paul Jebak. The Jebak went 100 million naira after his 300 million after his wedding. Show me one. I said as at 2 months ago on live camera, she was still showing married women's nude picture. Did she repent yesterday? Somebody said all video is in POJ. So did she change now? Did she change? Hello, my name is Governor Eziokwu. Hello. Let me call back this number. I need somebody that will give me that details. Someone should help me provide that video. You know, because I kept quiet, they thought they've arrived. They thought they've arrived. She knows how to recruit her likes. All of them started making videos as of today because they've seen loophole of sympathy and they want to capitalize on it. But let me share from this data. It's like I don't have data here on this particular. Hello, my name is Governor Eziokwu. Good evening. Good evening. I'm on live section, please. Okay, I should put it on loudspeaker. Yes, yes, yes. It was anger, it was anger. Yeah, I'm on live section, man. Should I put it on loudspeaker, please? So our general public will hear what I'm saying. Okay. It's on loudspeaker.
Okay. Good evening, Governor Eziokwu. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Why are we all making it? Why are we all making it as if okay, she cannot be a citizen?
Oh my God! Network. Wait, can you hear me, ma? Go ahead.
Can hear you.
Please go ahead. Go ahead. My phone.
Why is Ogechi's own different? They did not arrest Ogechi to kill Ogechi. Ogechi said any day, anytime she's been called or she's been arrested, that she's going to come with her proofs. Why are we not allowing her to present her? If present everything and everything is good, Ogechi is good to go. And there's something that's all on the. We should push sentences aside when things happened. We should not make it look it was Governor Eziokwu and co that arrested Ogechi. Ogechi has a lot of problem going on. That they were there to apprehend Ogechi does not mean Ogechi, that they were the one holding Ogechi. No, what is holding Ogechi is above Governor Eziokwu and co. People holding Ogechi is more than JPAC. Because you people saw them on post on social media when they went to arrest. It wasn't when they were arrested. Can we all tell ourselves the truth time?
All right.
Ogechi came into Nigeria for the mother-in-law's burial. Is she not supposed to go to Newu with the husband? The husband is alone in Akokwa preparing for the mother's burial. Is she supposed to be? Nobody is killing her. Ogechi will be out. Ogechi will be free by the time she presents her whatever she has to herself. Stop push sentiment aside. Please, nobody is above the law. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, now drop a number here. And I think I'm them medicine with you. Hello. Yes, good evening. I'm on the live section, sir. I should put it on loudspeaker.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay, Governor. I'm naked.
Can we know your name and where you're calling from, sir? Is it possible? Because people will ask.
I need to go before na Lagos. Can you hear me?
Okay.
The airport. One certain time. Will issue my company.
You want to issue Maka Onye?
First go.
Huh?
Photo or Botoning. Go boss.
Network.
All of his solid.
You see, go to motor Naka Onya have read the motor boss. Oh, let me take another call. Hello, Governor Eziokwu is my name. Good evening, sir.
Yeah. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I'm on live broadcast and this phone is on loudspeaker.
Yeah. Please, I just want to ask you a very simple question, and I don't want you to feel disrespected by this question I'm asking you.
Okay.
Yeah, please, no disrespect to you, and this is just my own view. Now, I could hear you when you said, Ogechi did this, Ogechi did that, she's been doing this, committing so many crimes, I mean this. Now, I'm asking you, have you not said anything to Ogechi before? It's just a quick question.
I never woke up one morning and started bullying Ogechi. I've never done that.
But okay. Have you called her? Because I used to follow you and I used to watch you.
Yes.
And now, if you want to condemn so many things, I want you to be very fair. You said your name is Governor Eziokwu.
Yes, go ahead.
I want you to be very fair.
I will.
Very honest with yourself.
I will.
Now, if you said Ogechi has been abusing people, it's true. I accept that part. But I want you to watch back. Do you just think that this lady sits down and she just insult people? What about people also doing the same thing to this lady? Have you also come out to condemn all those things? Don't tell me you're not seeing things that is going on online.
Okay,
I pretend here. Yeah. Even your friend.
Can I answer you? Talk about me, sir. Talk about me.
Okay.
Talk about me in particular.
I've seen you.
Now, can you tell me the beginning? Can you tell me what happened in the beginning? Because I think many people have these questions to ask.
My brother, listen there. You know one thing I know about you, because I'm also your brother. I'm from Owerri as well. I'm your brother. You understand me? I have so much respect for you. The way I look at you, I see you as someone that has a very good prestige. That's what they call respect for women. No matter what a woman does to you, there are some things you don't need to respond to a woman. But for you, no matter what this lady has done to you, you went as far calling her names. I've heard you calling her prostitute, calling her. You've said so many things, my brother, which I expected you to ignore. I know you can ignore no matter what this lady has done to you. I definitely know you can ignore as a man. But I think you did not act up in that aspect, because you're honorable, you're going for a political position, there's so many things you're pursuing, and I did not expect you to really go into conversation of argument with a lady. Now,
Okay.
You know, no disrespect to you.
No problem. Feel free, sir.
Yeah. If I was you, I swear to my God, I will ignore this. I will never, because of the position you occupy, you will never come in contact with this lady. You just do your thing and be. Because like, if you get pressed, pitch down with the level you are, but to exchange word of mouth. Only I prostitute, so have a house, my brother. You know the way women behave. You know you handle your woman. The same way you treat your wife, the same way I expected you to treat.
Okay, can I? Okay, sir. I want to ask you a question here. Can you remind me the very first and second time Ogechi started calling me an ex-convict? What happened? Can you remember, or should I tell you?
Yeah, she has done. Like I said to you, I did not say she did not do any of these things to you.
Okay. Do you remember? Do you remember how? Because I kept quiet and I listened to you. Can you point out how long she did that thing before I even?
So many.
Thank you very much for saying so many times. Good night. Before I responded. That's one. Hold on. There's this caller I've seen your call severally. Let me pick this call. People will tell you to keep quiet, even to the extent when I was being tagged an ex-convict by Ogechi, and you're telling me to keep quiet for the sake of my position. No. If I start taking much calls, hold on, let me call back this particular number. Hello, good evening. My name is Governor Eziokwu, and I am calling you from a live broadcast. Should I put it on loudspeaker? Yes, good evening, sir. My name is Governor Eziokwu. I'm on live section.
Okay. Put it on live speaker. I want to speak to the World Prayer channel.
Okay, go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Introduction. My name is Mazi Obaleze Chukwubikem.
Okay. You're welcome.
I run the page called Aside Hot Biafra Television.
Okay, you saw that I mentioned your page now?
Yes, somebody called my attention to that, so I have to come and listen to you because I'm following the event as it unfolds. So I want to specifically speak on a particular issue that attracted my attention to this program today.
Okay, sir.
Good. And I want to speak to Biafrans, IPOB members through this channel.
Okay, sir.
I want to separate corn from chaff. Anybody that is listening to this program this night, be it Igbo, be it Ijo, be it Ishekiri, be it Urobo, any part of Biafra land that you are listening from, or Biafra part that you are from, I want you to listen to me with a neutral mind. Neutralize anything that is in your mind and pay attention to the things I have to say here. I don't call on people's program anyhow, but anytime I pick my phone to call on any program, I know that it is worth it. Eziokwu, your name is echoing and reverberating with truth. And on that note, I want to speak the truth because on my platform, I say, as it is hot, that's so I talk.
Okay, sir.
I am not here to talk about the saga between you and Ogechi.
Okay.
Neither am I here to talk about the saga between Ogechi and the JPAC. I am here to clear some informations that Biafrans across the globe should get hold of. Because I have watched closely and I have seen that you have been in Abuja. 3 good times I saw you in Abuja with JPAC. When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case is called upon, you have been there. Not 1, not 2. At least I have seen you 3 times or 4 times thereabout.
3 times.
3 times, thank you.
Yes, sir.
So I paid attention to every happening in this struggle that have taken the life of our people. And you know, so many people have died in this struggle, and for that, emotion is highly attached to a lot of things happening in our land. So, when I see people who are broadcasting, who are bloggers, that shows interest about this man whom God has given to us, that so many of us did not appreciate, I want to get closer to know who those people are. And you are one of them that I've seen that appeared. Now, having said that, that is my interest. If you have never gone to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case or talk about freedom of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and anything is happening, you maybe you mistakenly say something against the struggle or against the people of Biafra, then I will have my way of responding to you. But haven't seen that you have shown positive interest. You have won twice and 3 times to use your money, pay for your flight, go to show solidarity.
Yes.
To that savior of Igbo and Biafra in general, called Mazi Nnamdi, because he is our savior. The man that stands between the gap of evil that want to befall us. That is Mazi. Now, I watched what happened when you people went to arrest Ogechi in Jakarta, and I saw where the attack is coming to you because you made a very big blunder. You put in here, Igbo. And that you are not perfect, and nobody is perfect.
Yes.
Imperfection has been the genesis of creation, because nobody is perfect. That is why even God himself later said, according to the Bible, those who believe in the scripture, that he regretted creating man. If the Bible can teach us that God created, that means, does it mean that God made mistake? I don't want to go into biblically to explain what I want to say here, because I'm very, very bitter. I'm very, very angry. Seeing what Ogechi Njaka have done so far against Igbo and against Biafrans. So my interest here is that once you made that statement, I say, hey, Eziokwu, I want to win another. Mana, all mad people, you made mistake, but you made mistake. People will understand. Some people who doesn't understand may not understand. But the truth is that I'm here to separate chaff from the corn. And I have heard you say you are sorry, 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 you are sorry. Indeed, I have seen you showing that sign of remorse that you are sorry for the wrong utterances that you made. But I want to put it correctly to the people who cares to know that Ogechi Njaka has been a criminal. You may not have the information fully as it is because you mentioned my page, and yes, indeed, in my page, I have spoken about Ogechi Njaka different times, 20 times, because she wanted to use IPOB to scam the people of Biafra across the globe. Immediately, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu set up Eastern Security Network and announced it. Ogechi Njaka thought it was an opportunity for her to make money. Because Ogechi Njaka is like a vulture. Ogechi goes where she eats the rotten, or should I say, the dead animals. That is what Ogechi does. If Ogechi is coming to you, make sure that Ogechi must get something out of you. So Ogechi used that opportunity to use her personal account to be asking people to donate money. So when you make that mistake, I was kind of thinking, was this what this man is trying to say? That Ogechi scammed our people, use our account to collect money from our people from in the name of IPOB.
I was highly angry and under pressure.
I am not speaking for you. I am speaking for myself. This is my opinion, because I'm a man that looks things from different parts, from different ways, and I want people who are listening on this platform and people who are listening to also see it from their own perspective, that you have been there for the release of Mazi. You have spent your money to go for the release of Mazi. So if there is any reason why you will say such a thing, something must have happened. And there is something again that is attached to you, which is talking about the freedom of Chukwuka of Igbo, known as Ijele.
Yes,
I want you to pay attention. I will use this opportunity to advise you and to settle one or two things here. That man you see, you are asking for his freedom and whatever, has taken the life of so many of Igbo.
Over this